In the bustling realm of kitchen appliances, finding the perfect ally to conquer culinary challenges can be as elusive as the perfect recipe for grandma's apple pie. But fear not, as the Nuwave Bravo XL air fryer toaster smart oven emerges as a shining beacon of innovation, promising to revolutionize your cooking experience from mundane to masterful. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cooking like a pro today. Intuitive digital mastery. Gone are the days of culinary guesswork and temperature woes. With the Bravo XL's intuitive digital controls, commanding your culinary symphony becomes as effortless as a flick of the wrist. Set your desired temperature anywhere from a crisp 50 degrees Fahrenheit to a sizzling 500 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. No more haphazard temperature fluctuations here, just smooth, precise cooking every time. Linear T technology, the art of precision. Step into the future of cooking with linear thermal linear T technology, where precision meets perfection. Say goodbye to the erratic dance of temperature fluctuations. Linear T executes your desired temperature with surgical precision, ensuring every dish emerges from the oven with unparalleled consistency and flavor. With constant monitoring and adjustments every second, your culinary creations are destined for greatness. Dual heat zones, your culinary canvas. Craft your culinary masterpiece with finesse, thanks to the Bravo XL's dual heat zones. Customize the top and bottom heaters, along with the convection fan, independently to achieve true surround cooking. Whether you're craving a crispy, crunchy pizza crust or perfectly seared steak, the Bravo XL empowers you to tailor your cooking environment to your exact specifications. Smart cooking simplified. Bid farewell to overcooked disasters with the integrated smart digital thermometer. Simply set your desired doneness temperature and let Bravo do the rest. With its vigilant monitoring of internal temperatures, Bravo ensures your dishes reach perfection every single time. And with carryover cooking mode, your meats and fish stay tender and succulent even during the resting period. Versatility redefined. Dive into a world of culinary possibilities with the Bravo XL's 112 presets. From air frying and grilling to baking and dehydrating, this kitchen powerhouse has you covered. And with an additional 100 pre-programmed recipe presets, inspiration is always just a button press away. Grill indoors, sizzle with satisfaction. Who says grilling is just for the great outdoors? With the Bravo XL's super non-stick griddle plate, you can achieve those coveted grill marks and searing perfection from the comfort of your kitchen. Simply set the auto preheat, insert the thermostat, and let Bravo work its magic. What's in the box? The Nuwave Bravo XL air fryer toaster smart oven comes fully equipped to elevate your culinary journey. With a non-stick reversible griddle, heavy-duty wire cooking rack, and smart digital thermostat, you have everything you need to embark on your next culinary adventure. Plus, with its compact size and generous inside depth, the Bravo XL fits seamlessly into any kitchen space. In conclusion, the Nuwave Bravo XL air fryer toaster smart oven is not just an appliance, it's a culinary companion, a beacon of innovation, and a gateway to gastronomic greatness. With its intuitive controls, precision technology, and unparalleled versatility, the Bravo XL empowers you to unleash your culinary creativity like never before. So why wait? Elevate your cooking experience today and join the ranks of culinary maestros with the Nuwave Bravo XL. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.